Welcome! In front of me I have Fitbit Charge 4 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this smartband on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on this smartband. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications on your smartband needs to be paired with a phone via the Fitbit application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Fitbit application on our phone. So let's open it. Once you open the application, you should see the today's page. Now tap on the profile icon to open the account page. On this page, find the Charge 4 on the list of devices. Tap on it. And now you should see the device page for your Fitbit Charge 4. On this page, scroll down, find the option called Notifications, tap on it, then tap on the Enable Notification Service, and it should redirect you to the Notification Access page. Basically, we need to allow the notification access for the Fitbit application. Find the Fitbit application on the list, tap on it, tap on the switch, next to Allow Notification Access, then tap on Allow. Okay. And next, it may redirect you to, or rather ask you for more permissions, as you can see. So tap on Allow, 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 Allow. And now you should see the notifications page in the app. If you don't see it, you can basically open the app again and go to the notifications. And now, as you can see, we can enable the notifications for calls or disable them by tapping on the switch. Then we can tap on text messages, and here we can enable them or disable them, and also select the default messaging app. We have only messages for now, but if you have different ones, maybe you can select them. Next, we have calendar events, and we can enable or disable them, and again select the default app. Then we have emails, and again we can enable them or disable them, or select the different app. And at the bottom, or rather at the end of the list, we have app notifications, and here we can tap on it and basically enable or disable the notifications for specific apps. As you can see, we have the whole list of apps installed on our phone. Now I'm gonna find Discord and enable the notifications for it, but you can enable them or disable the notifications for any app you want. Okay, let's go back to the notifications menu. And here we have a couple more options. We have reply settings. Basically, we can set the quick replies. You can tap on it, select the app, and then fill in the quick replies. Like this. You can also change the emojis and stuff like that. You can edit this. What else? We have also the option always vibrate, and if you enable this option, the band will always vibrate when you receive the notification, even though the do not disturb mode or silent mode is enabled. So if you like this option, you can enable it by tapping on the switch. And next we have advanced settings, and we have enable transliteration, and this basically every incoming notification on your smartband will be converted to the Latin characters. So if you want this option, you can enable it. And also we have the encryption, but this option we can't enable, or rather it's enabled by default apparently. Okay, so once you're done customizing your notifications, you can now, or you should be able now, to receive them on your smartband. And we can also test this. To do it, simply tap on the menu icon right here in the top right corner to open the menu. Tap on Send a Test Call Notification, and you should receive the testing notification on your smartband incoming call, as you can see. And we can swipe up to dismiss it or accept it. Okay. Next, you can also should be able to receive the notifications from apps. So to check this, I'm just gonna send myself a message on Discord. As you remember, before I enabled the notifications for the Discord app, so we should be able to receive the notifications from it. So let's type something. And I got the notification on my phone and also on the smartband. like this. If you miss the notifications on your smartband, you can see them, I believe, by swiping up on the screen. No, it's not up. It's down from the top of the screen. And here we have the list of other notifications menu, and you can see your notifications if you missed any. Okay. Also, if you want to disable notifications on your smartband, you can open the app again, tap on notifications right here, tap on the menu icon, and tap on disable notifications to turn them all off. Okay. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this smartband on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.